在过去的20年里，我们不断地探索新的装饰材料和生产加工技术。我们与世界一流的供应商一起，为设计师提供系统化的产品落地解决方案。
We accumulated more than 20 years' experience in porcelain slab, glass, aluminum, and wood-board material usage. We fully understand each material characteristics, which let us flexibly make usage of each material advantage. CIANDRE provides interior designs and technical installation support for global designers, architecture, real estate developers, and projectors. We always use consistent design language and strict design standards to create high-quality products.
We put it all together, and then it can be for the global market. The more important, we want to create the future, not the past.
让艺术生活化，让生活艺术化。我们将与全球设计师一起，为用户创造更加美好的生活。我们愿与全球设计师一起共同成长。
We wish to grow up together with our clients.